Hello everyone, myself Krutika Patel from Samarpan Gyan School, Rata. Here we are going to begin class 8 Social Science chapter number 4 from Civics, Understanding Law. So here we are going to learn that do laws apply to everyone? How do we know, how do the new laws come into being? Could there be new laws which are not unpopular? So there are many things related to law which we are going to study in this chapter. So here is our chapter, Understanding Law. Oh, I have much curious. What are laws? How laws are changed and why? Are laws same for all? Please tell me about it. So here is one child who is so much curious about laws. Why does it change? How? And so many questions are raising in his mind. And here is the teacher. Okay, I'll clear your doubts. So now let's study about the laws briefly. So these are the few points which we are going to continue in this chapter. First is, do law apply to all? Next is, how do new laws came about? Unpopular and controversial laws. What should we as citizens do under such circumstances? So here is, what does the rule of law means? What does a rule of law means? It means control as per the law, governing as per the law. This rules of law का मतलब क्या होता है? Control over the country, control over the citizens of the country as per the law. Government will govern the people according to this law. Does this apply to all? Rich, poor, minister, president, does this apply to all? Yes. All are equal in front of law. There is no discrimination on the basis of any caste, religion or gender. Whether he be rich, poor, minister, president, whosoever it is, the laws will remain same. Neither a government official, nor a wealthy person, nor ever a prime minister, nor a president of the country, all are equal before the law. Any crime or violation of law has a specific punishment. Any crime or breaking of violation of law will have a specific kind of punishment. Every kind of crime will have different kind of punishment, as well as a process through which the guilty of a person has to be established. And what are the reasons for including equality in our law? Why did we included equality in our law? So we were having in ancient system, there was a system whereas upper caste and lower caste was there. For the same crime, there were two different kinds of punishment. If poor has done, very harsh punishment, very dangerous punishment, and if rich has done, very light punishment. Then we were also under the colonial rule, British government rule. So they used to pass certain kind of act. So there was one, because of this Sedition Act passed in 1870. What they did, they could arrest any Indians, and they could punish any Indian. They could put them into jail for 2 years without any trial. So this kind of punishments were there during Britishers' rule. So today it was felt, the need was felt in the after the independence, that equality should be there. No rich, no poor, every citizen of the country should be equal. And so this kind of law was passed. So here we come to end of this topic. We'll continue how do new laws came about in the next class.